How to change quality in Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can actually change quality in Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you've been seeing Netflix at a fairly low quality, you can actually choose to change it. So you can open up the Netflix application, just log into one of your profiles over here, and when you log into your profile, let's say you want to customize a couple of options, you come to the My Netflix tab here. You should be able to see all this. Just make sure to tap the three lines option from here, and then you can go to app settings. When you go to app settings, here you can see Wi-Fi only, download video quality. You can set this to high quality. Now this is one of the things that you can do, but the quality on Netflix actually depends upon the current plan that you have. If you have a normal basic plan, it offers you only 720p of the quality. If you have a 1080p plan, which is your standard plan, that is 1080p plan. If you have premium plan, it offers you 4K quality. So it also really just depends upon the plan that you have. So to view the current plan, you can tap the three lines option, go to account option here, and then you should be able to see your current plan details. So you might actually want to upgrade or downgrade depending upon what kind of plan you have. Now in my case, I have the Ultra HD plan, which is the 4K plan. So if that is what you're looking for, you can subscribe to the premium Ultra HD, but as I said, it also really depends upon the plan. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.